So guys, once you're on the NVIDIA Control Panel, on the left hand side, you want to select Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Now once we're here, you want to select Use My Preference. You want to set this to Performance, and then click on Apply. Next, you want to go to Manage 3D Settings, go to Global Settings. You want to turn everything here off for the best FPS. Turn off everything. Keep your preferred refresh rate on the highest available. You can turn off everything else. After you turn off everything, or you set everything to the lowest, you want to click on Apply in the bottom right. Next, you want to go to the Change Resolution tab. You want to select your gaming monitor, and then select your optimal resolution and refresh rate, and then click on Apply. Next, you want to go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position, select your monitor, and then select Full Screen. Make sure your resolution and refresh rate are correct, and then click on Apply. That's how you do it.